How to get money on Cash App. Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to get money on Cash App. Whether you're receiving payments from friends, family, or customers, I'll guide you through the simple steps to ensure you get your funds quickly and easily. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you have your Cash App account set up. If you haven't done this yet, download the app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and follow the on-screen instructions to create an account. Make sure to verify your identity to unlock all features. To receive money, you can share your cash tag, which is a unique identifier linked to your Cash App account. Your cash tag typically looks like this plus your username. Simply send this to anyone who wants to send your money. They can enter your cash tag in the pay section of their app to transfer funds to you. Alternatively, you can also receive money using your linked phone number or email address. Just provide these details to the sender and they can enter them in the Cash App to send you the money. Make sure your phone number or email is definitely linked to your Cash App account for smoother transactions. If you want to be proactive, you can request money directly through the app. So open Cash App, tap on the $ icon, enter the amount you want to request, and tap Request. You can then enter the recipient's phone number, email, or cash tag. This sends a request that they can accept to transfer funds to you. Once someone sends you money, you'll receive a notification and the funds will appear in your Cash App balance. You can monitor all incoming transactions by tapping on the Activity tab at the bottom of the screen, and here you'll see a record of all payments received and sent. When you're ready to cash out, tap on your balance at the top of the screen, select Cash Out and choose the amount you want to withdraw. You can transfer the funds to your linked bank account instantly or select a standard transfer for no fee, which may take a few days. And that's how to get money on Cash App. It's a quick and convenient process, whether you're receiving payments or requesting funds. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.